How to get help inside workshop software. It's actually really easy. So down the bottom right-hand side is the question mark. We call this Workshop Assist. It's your assistant for when you're using workshop software. There's a few different things in here, and I'll go through them one by one. First up, announcements. This is really important because this has got new stuff, new information that we're delivering, any announcements. And so make sure that you're looking at these announcements and seeing what's going on with the announcements. There's important information there. There'll be a little red dot or a number when an announcement comes up. The next thing is the knowledge base. This is a really important, so if I wanted to do credit an invoice, for example, you can go in here and it'll find crediting an invoice. You click on it, it'll open up that credit an invoice, and here's the knowledge base article on how to credit an invoice. As an example, you can search for anything you want in there, which is really, really simple. There are literally hundreds of guides in here, so go and search for any question that you need. The next bit is getting started. Now, getting started is for new users getting started, but it can be great for a refresher. So the getting started has got lots and lots of videos in here. So you've got stuff about setting up. And each of these is a different section as well. So this is broken down into sections. So if you go then into the product workflow, you can see maybe bundles and stock take or the customer workflow, and there's different, stuff that's involved in that. So, the same for accounting and invoicing, customer communication, you've got stuff about inspections and so on. But there's lots of information. Each one of those has got a video, lots of details in there. Highly recommend that you're looking at the getting started. And then you've got guided tours. Now you can do things like how to add a mobile user, how to create an invoice, and this will give you guided tours. So if I click on this, it'll actually say create a new invoice by clicking the start button here, customer invoice, and it tells you what to do. So that will give you this guided tour, and it's really helpful. So that's the guided tours. Come back here because we're adding new guided tours in all the time as well. And the last thing is the contact us. So you can click on here for support@workshopsoftware.com email. That will create a ticket. One of our support team will get in contact with you. Or if you need remote support, so one of our team is looking after you and asks for you to connect to remote support, that's where you do it there. So that's the Workshop Assist section. It's really, really powerful. Highly recommend that you use this. It's great for any information that you need, but also new information for new team members and so on. It's a really powerful way for you to get really great help out of workshop software in an instant.